In this video, we're going to discuss how to manipulate the primary viewing box for the LiDAR scan. So when you open up your enabled viewer, you'll come to a page such as the one that you see here, and you'll notice that at the perimeter of the scan, there is this light, faint black line forming a wireframe around the model. That is the primary viewing box. If you don't see that, it is most likely concealed behind the visibility toggle, which you can locate up here in the primary menu. Go to Clip, toggle Clip Box Outline, and you can see now that it's no longer visible. If you want to get that back, you again click the toggle Clip Box Outline, and it'll repopulate. Now, in order to manipulate our viewing box, what we have to do is we have to select the wireframe with a left click, and then that's going to bring up all the various control points that we have to move this box around our scan. So the circles at all sides of the box allow you to move the viewing plane in and out and up and down, like you see here. Now, why you might want to do this is, well, if you just want to look at a particular section, say just beyond this fence line here in the background, what we can do is we can move the viewing box just beyond it, and then we can zoom up into it. The control points in the middle here, there's a few of them. The vertical and horizontal bars there allow you to move the box completely. So not just one face, but the entire box. So the blue is up and down. You can think of that as the Z-axis. The red and green you can think of as the X and Y axes. Now, this particular project is a ramp, and we might also want to, have our viewing box on a slight angle through the model, not just orthogonal, potentially to match the slope of these ramp surfaces. So what we can do there is, you see these quarter circle control points. That allows you to manipulate the angle of your viewing box, like so. And then we can use the other control points, and I'm just going to use the vertical one here to kind of bring this down. And then I'm going to click outside, move around that model, and now I can see right the way through it along that angle of the ramp. Of course, you might have various other reasons to crop the model in different ways, and the control points is the way that you do it. If you notice now that I've moved around a little bit, the viewing box, the control points for the viewing box are no longer visible. To get those back, again, clip the viewing box, and they're going to populate, and then you can move them as before.